What is up, guys? Blim here. We are back with more Showdown live action, and today we have a really cool team which we are gonna be using in the high Bdsp ladder. So let me show the team real quick. As you can see, we already have a Rotom-Frost. Yeah, we are gonna be using a Rotom-Frost. We have a very cool set. We have a Nasty Claw, Trick, Volt Switch, and Blizzard, and then we have Block Slow King. Yes, we have a Block Slow King. It helps to trap like Blisses and Clef and all the annoying ones. Yes, a Block Slow King. We have a very bulky SD Chomp, very bulky SD Garchomp, and then we have a standard defensive core of Heatran and Togekiss, and we have a choice band Lucario. Yeah, it's a very dangerous team, very cool team which we're gonna be using. So let's get a game. Hope to get some good games. Also, guys, we're on the road to 5k. If you want to enjoy my content, head over to my channel, hit that sub button, and leave a like on the video if you enjoy. So, okay, first game we got versus a very offensive team. I do not have a switch to the Azu, so I want to lead off with my this one, and I want to like go for the, and I want to trick this boy. I can't even Blizzard this boy, you know. Let's Blizzard. If he stays in, is he gonna stay in actually? He has 3 steel types. He has no business staying in. But watch him stay. He has 3 steel types. He has absolute no business staying in. He has no business staying in. Oh yeah, perfect. He has 3 steel types. 3 steel types which completely shut down my Rotom. And then yeah, he gives me the Garchomp, a huge threat to my team for no reason. We love this. We absolutely love this. At least I love this. Yeah, he goes to this. It can't do much versus me. Yeah, I'm very defensive. I am very defensive. Yeah, I'm earthquaking you. Can even SD up if I wanna. Let's SD. No. Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, he can't kill me with the Chomp. I mean the Alakazam, and yeah, I want chip on that Azu and I win. I want some chip on the Azu. Oh yes, I hella need chip on you. I'm getting chip on you. You might even die unless you're. I think Azu dies. Azu dies. Oh, he didn't die. It was some max. Is this max set? Yeah, as I said, I need chip on you, and he gives me the Tuesday, and he's gonna die. He's gonna die to a. I think he should trick me to. Okay, I don't need to. Yeah, I can like Volt out. What is the best play? I don't lose to the Zam. I have a Slow King. I have E-Speed. My close combat. Look at close combat now. Just look at this close combat. Adamant choice banded close combat. Send this Blackness on straight to heaven. He has 3 steel types. He gives me the Garchomp for no absolute reason. This is gonna get absolutely cooked. It's cooked out to send to Mars. Shidzard is gonna get sent packing. Yeah, he had to go to the Zam. I have a whole Slow King waiting to sit on you. Psychics does 0 damage and Scald is so free. Scald is like the freest move here. If we burn this though, oof, if we can burn this or this, okay, perfect. It's useless. This Shidzard is rendered useless. I can't even Calm Mind if I wanna. Yeah, I can Calm Mind pretty easily. Yes, you turned out of the game. Yeah, best case scenario. Oh, so when you start a game like this, you're forced to retire. He had 3 steel types, and yeah, he stayed in on a Rotom-Frost. Perfect. Love to see. I guess I should. Let's do one thing. This Garchomp is way too weak. Let's invest some. Yeah, invest some attack on this. I need this speed for the loops and stuff. Max HP. Yeah, this Garchomp is way too weak. Let me make some small calcs. Garchomp, or you tank. We have Azu, or you Beldrum. No freaking way. That's like Earthquake does. Wow. What's for guaranteed Yoko? $64. Can I invest? Oh, I don't have that much. I do not have that much. So it's better like not to invest than like missing out. Oh, I have 64. What am I missing? Yeah, my EVs are stored 56. More 8 EVs, right? More 8 EVs is 64. Now Azu will die. Let's get the next one. Now Azu is a guaranteed Oko. Let's see what we get. I'm running. Should I run like Stone Edge over Dragon Claw? Let's just Stone Edge over Dragon Claw, right? Let's run like Edge for Kissers. Or Rock Slide. For PP, for flinch, for sub flinch. Sub flinch, yes, weak. From flincher to action going, yeah, that will be kind of nice. Some flincher to action. Let's rock slide for some flincher to action. Rock slide is 30%, right? I forgot. Start the timer real quick. So 30%, right? Perfect. Okay. Actually, I wanted Dragon Claw for this match, but oh well, we can manage. Let's lead up with my Rotom. Let's trick this boy. Perfect. He's gonna get up a rocks. Yeah, thought so. Volt out. Is he gonna be going to the Garchomp for no reason? Yeah, he go to the Caesar. How much do you take? Oh, this is hella offensive. This is super offensive. Oh my god, I lose to the Gator. I realize I lose to the Gator. He brick breaks me. I don't mind the brick break. Okay, I have focus sash, so go to you. Just get him up. Stored power set. Calm mind. I wanna calm mind. Oh wow, I clicked slack. Ah man, why did I click the slack off? Why the hell did I click the slack off? Yeah, we lost, yeah. That was a huge misclick. Oh, you are not stored power? What? This is not stored power? What? Oh, it's gonna go to the Gator and mess me up. Yeah, my Garchomp blind chomp keeps missing. Blind as usual, blind chomp doing blind chomp stuff. Can you paraphrase this boy down? It will be really helpful if you can do that. Perfect. Yeah, this is why we are running rock slide. This is why we are running rock slide, yeah. I thought it was like stored power for a moment. Yeah, I can sub up. We are very bulky. Yeah, this watch this BP won't break the sub. Watch this BP. It will fail. Oh, he's like offensive though. Do you break what? Do you break the sub? No defense. We are not running defense 0. We are bullet punch 20. Oh, that was offensive. That was like that. That was hella offensive. He's forced to click the ice shard here. I think he's gonna click the ice shard. I don't need my chomper, I will go to my kisser. Yeah, he earthquakes. Thought so he might do something like this. I like yes, let this boy goes to the chomp or something. Yes, definitely. You edge. Are you edge? Go to my chomper on his chomper. His iron head takes a lot of damage. Earthquake. Flinches me down. I don't mind. Okay, I'll go to my Heatran. I wanna get that Gator. I wanna chip down this Gator. I always stain on the Gator. Yeah, I always stain on you. I have to stain on you. I want to get you in like Lucario range. Oh yeah, yeah. This is Lucario range. This is bandit E-speed range, and I will get more chip on you. Protect. Waterfalls. I want to keep the Heatran because it's like good for the. It's good for the. Yeah, I can have a free sack. Did he give me the focus sash on my Rotom? Oh, he gave me his own focus sash. Do I E-speed sweep or do I Rotom him? Let's like click the volt switch. He gave me his own focus sash. So yes. Okay, so I don't mind this. You can't do anything to me. That's the saddest part. I want to plot up on you. Yeah, perfect. Let's plot up on his face. Let's hit the blizzard. Kill this Hitmontop. Kill it. Soccer punch, no mark punch. Missed. Okay. Perfect. Oh, Rotom was flexing. Look at this Rotom flexing on him. What can you do? Nah, bro. Nah. You are dead. Look at this Rotom flexing. We are the superior ice type. Look at this Rotom just going stupid on him right now. Rotom going absolutely stupid on him. Let's get the next one. Let's get the next game. Rotom going absolutely stupid on him. purposely missed the blizzard on the Hitmontop. He said, Hitmontop, you can sucker punch me, but I'm gonna hit the next one. You know what? We're chilling. Alrighty, one more Ferrari get her team. Okay, I have to keep in mind I cannot give him the choice scarf. If we give him the choice scarf, we lose. How much speed does this run? 280. We are faster than it. Rotom is like 280 something. 280. It's like 88 speed and Ferrari is like. Oh yeah, he's slow. He's super slow. Heatran him on this. Yeah, as usual. These kids only know to lead off with Scams, and yeah. Classic, these kids only know. Goes to Crab Cake. I can like scout for the knock. Crab Hammer. Oh, okay. Okay, dude, I see. This did 0. Oh, this is Focus Sash. This is Focus Sash. Confirm Focus Sash. I can say this Focus Sash already. You risked it. He risked it, but what can I say? Skull. Yeah, let him DD up. I want Chip to get in E-speed range. Oh, nice. Now this is a waste. I can like defog these rocks away. Nah, dude. No, dude. No. He can crunch me if he wants to. Waterfalls. I think he's gonna crunch me here. Stack off. Save 71. Do I keep this though? I want to keep the Garchomp. I don't need my Heatran here. Let's go to my Heatran. Let's pivot. Protect. Waterfalls me. Waterfalls. Crunch was doing how much to Slow Kings? 71. Okay, we are out of crunch range. Let's kill this off. Perfect. Yeah. And we can always regen back the damage. He goes to Crab Cakes. Okay, perfect. Yeah. I actually wanted this spot. I wanted this spot. I won't lie, I wanted this spot. Let's like scald him. Crawdon gets Switcheroo? Nice. Okay. Crawdon, he's... Why did he click the Switcheroo? Oh my god, these players be like... Ah, man. Why do you click Switcheroo? Why did you click the Switcheroo? You needed your choice band so much. Alakazam dies to or it gets very close to dying. It goes to the Chomper. I'm not weak to Chomper at all. I can like go to my Rotom, kill it off. Rotom, you know what to do here, right? Rotom, you know. Or the best play would you trick him. Like the tricking is the best play. If he locks him to Stone, yeah, tricking is the best play. Yeah, this is the best play. Oh, definitely, I made the correct play, and it doesn't even kill. I made the best play possible. Yeah, he's gonna get burned. I want a Magma in case he goes to the Zam. Oh, perfect. Land. Perfect. Earth power. You won't kill me. And yeah, done. So he's done. He's absolutely done for. Yep. And this Chaser was never beating my loop. So yep, 3 body bags lined up. Let's get the next one. Switcheroo Crawdon. I didn't even know that Crawdon got Switcheroo. Wow, this team is doing some insane amount of work. This look at this team doing so much work. Yeah, tricking was my best play because if he locked himself into, if I missed the blizzard, I would have lost on spot. So yeah, that was my best play. This is why I kept my choice scarf. Yeah, game plan is the way to go. Have your game plans. If I click blizzard, I knew Rotom would hit though. I knew Rotom would hit but Rotom just flexed that last game, so I didn't want to click the blizzard this game. Let us store the blizzards. So it works like this: if you keep clicking every game, blizzard's accuracy reduces, and if you like click once a while, then blizzard hits like a no guard. Blizzard is a really cool move. You have to understand the mechanics. So let's see what we get. Climbing. Our best favorite thing to do. Also, yeah, let me build while we look for a game. I was building something with Pidgeot. I was building something with this Pidgeot. So yeah, life orb. Yeah, look at this set. You can already see this set. Already see the heat going on. I want to just import my Feraligator. I want to import my Feraligator. Yes, sir. Wow, it's lagged. My PS lagged. Okay, we got a game versus a screen Spion team. I think it's a screen Spion team. Let me just import this gator real quick. Let's use the green gator. What's your color? Are you shiny? You're gold, right? No, I don't like gold shinies at all. Okay, so either it's a Nape lead or a screen Spion's lead or a Chomper lead. My Rotom looks superb, or he might be a Curspion. Let's lead off with my Rotom. Chompers me. Okay, is he gonna? No freaking way. Yeah, actually, he made a correct play. Finally, after ages. Don't turn. You're gonna get burned. Oh, I lied. I don't think he earthquakes here. I do not think. I'm gonna get him up. Yes, sir, definitely. And now he's very weak to my. I can protect once. Yes, and look at the Moltres now. Oh, you are a shit chump. You edge. Are you edge? Wash Tom's me. Are you scarfed? Oh, this defensive. This scarfed. This defensive. This scarf. It's everything. I want your scarf. Choice scarf. I want this choice scarf. I don't want this choice scarf. Alrighty, I don't mind taking the choice scarf from him. He takes the leftovers. That's a bit annoying. I just rock slide for some flinch. Chip. Good chip. Yeah, I want chip on you. Okay, perfect. Yeah, this is really good. So it's gonna it's in like E-speed range. I can E-speed him pretty freely. This offensive is faster than me. Its solo offensive is faster than me. I shouldn't lose to close combat. I shouldn't lose to the Moltres at all. If I kill this, that only one thing I'm worried is an Infernape. I'm not worried about Espion because I will trick it with the Rotom. So I'm not worried about Espion. And do you beat my Slowking 1v1? That's the question. So his Chomper, I think his Chomper is walled by my Slowking. His Chomper is, and it's walled by my Kisser. This is a huge problem though. This is a huge problem. This thing. I think he's turning. I go to the Slowking. Yeah, he's turning. Oh, wait. When he's turning, why did I go to the Slowking though? When I knew he's turning? Idiot. I'm an idiot. I get in my Heatran. Where if you have Flame Body though? But where are the burns? I missed the burns though. Kisser him. Oh wait, protect. Oh no, Kisser. I get roost. Hell yeah, I get roost. Good boy. He clicked Earthquake for some reason. I don't know why. He had to make the Earthquake play turn 1. That he didn't do, and he's in a bad spot. He's in a very bad spot. Since he didn't click the Earthquake. I keep saying like everyone, don't go for the predictions turn 1. Don't predict turn 1. I keep telling everyone. Don't predict turn 1, dude. He goes to Gemini. The shit sir. Let's let this boy down. Yeah. Oh yeah. Gets the burn body. Wow. Okay, okay. I wanna Magma Storm you. Moltres can't do anything. As I said, Moltres can't do much. Are you like leftovers everything? Why are you a Fire Blast leftovers Garchomp though? Come on, dude. Let's go to my Kisser. God, air slash him. Yeah, this burned. His Scizor is burnt. So yeah, you are burnt, my friend. You can't do much versus me. You're Serene Grace. Thank God we are not hustle. Finally, we're not hustle. Oh yeah, dead. GG Infernape, and it's hell over. It's hell over. How much are we at? 20. Okay, we can get one more game, I guess. Get one more. Whoa. Yep. Okay, we got a game versus a very, very powerful squad which gets destroyed by Rotom. Rotom looks so good, man. I want to lead off with it. I want to straight up lead off with it. So this is the best thing about Garchomp. You don't mind burns and stuff because Garchomp is not the MVP of the team. Its job is to just like get you pivots. So yes. Oh, yeah, I get my Volt Switch out. Alrighty, I click it again. He's protect, he's like protect and okay. Is he Will-O-Wisping? Indeed. Get him up. Get this shits up. Hey, imagine he trans. Oh, he crit me though. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. But we will hit. We'll heal our Rotom. He pumps me again. Go to my king. He pumps me again. Wanna like go to my Chomp and get a free substitute of. Perfect. Yeah, I knew we would dodge it, so it wasn't a problem. Let's SD. There's 5 pumps left. Let's SD up. Sub. He has 4 left and we'll stall it pumps. We'll stall his pumps and then solo him with the Heatran. Oh, he missed. Rock slide him. Yes, definitely. I want to get my Chomp back at full. This is doing good damage though. This is doing really good damage. Kicker drains. I think he's gonna click the knock here. Let's sub once. He's gonna click the knock here. Watch. Watch, clicks the knock off here. I will block this Tangrowth with my Slowking. I will block and kill this off with my Slowking. Oh. God damn. God damn. God damn. Let's slack off. Slack off again. I will block it. I block it. Stun Spore. Okay, now this Tangrowth is talking. Now this Tangrowth is talking. Block him. Okay, I am not blocking anything. He has Stun Spore. You gotta be kidding me. Why do you have Stun Spore? What coverage you don't have? You should have Sleep Powder. Why do you Stun Spore? Your team is so fast, dude. Why do you have Stun Spore? The one Tangrowth we want to trap and he has Stun Spore. Why does this have Stun Spore though? Let's try to slack off once. Let's still try to solo. I just need to pull a Calm Mind off. Okay, we're wasting his. Did you block? We haven't blocked him, right? We haven't blocked him. Heal King, heal up. Slack off just once. We are wasting his Giga Drains. He goes to the Scizor. Okay. Okay, he's a SD. Like I think he's SD. I think Garchomp is my best bet here. Yeah, he's Thief. Thought so. He might be something crazy like this. Go to my Heatran. Hit and run. He's Thief. Wait, is it not Brick Break? Oof, he's not Brick Break. My close combats look so good. Yeah, my Heatran has done his job, kinda. Heatran kinda done his job. Yeah. What is my burn though? I don't think Thief kills my Heatran. Yeah, perfect. These leftovers. Okay, this is Scarf Rocks, I think. If he clicks the rocks, he's done so. Don't click the rocks, dude. Click your Earthquake. Okay. Easy like Scarf Rocks. Are you? It might be life orb though, but I think like it shouldn't be scarfed. Is he? But I've seen people learning loves running. You, dear lord. Are you scarf charm though? My Heatran is kind of not needed this game at all, because I can like deal with the Lati with my. What? Wait, how do I deal with the Lati? You know what? I'm gonna go with my gut. He's slow. I won't take an earthquake. Is he helmet? Is he Rocky helmet? You Rocky helmet. It's Rocks Road. What's the Yache, right? This has to be Yache. I wanna sub up on you. And now I go to my kisser on the Giga Drain. Yes, I definitely wanted to do this. I can roost up here. Sacrifice. Okay, stun spore. I don't mind the stun spore. Yeah, he made a shit play, but he got rewarded. Are you okay? Yeah, what is this guy doing though? I got on my Slowking here. Alright, you know what? I just roost up. I don't think Volt Switch will knock me out. Volt Switch will do like some. It will do a good chunk. It will do like 35%, but we can roost up. This Sludge Ball, this stun. He's not Earthquake! What? Oh, what is his rating though? Oh my god, I don't believe he's no Earthquake tank. I feel like killing myself now. I feel like killing myself. He's a non-Earthquake tank. Yeah, it will 35. Yeah. Please roost up. Good boy. Click the SD. I thought so he might click the SD. This BP will do a lot of damage. This will do a lot of damage. You're gonna get. I wasn't gonna say he was gonna get tweet KO'd, but I freaking lied. Go to my Heatran. I don't believe he was gonna give me that hang growth for no reason. Alrighty, I click the. Get him up. I think he's gonna get him up, right? Kill this off. Yeah, I knew I was correct. I knew I was correct. But I don't see a Blizzard switching at all. Blizzard this boy. Blizzard this boy. Hit, please hit. Rotom, I need you to hit this Blizzard. I need you to hit this Blizzard. Please hit. Freeze. That was a fair chunk. Go to your cloaking. It protects. Okay. Wanna fish for a Skullbound. $38. Ooh, burn. Ah, no! Come on, come on. Yeah, thieves, this close combat. Okay, huge threat. He gives me a huge threat to the team. Huge threat he gives me. Huge threats. Oh, justified boost. He has to go to the Lati. Oh, yeah, this also works. But what does he do? He's gonna Giga Drain me here. Go to the Rotom. Oh, wow, that is a lot of damage. Let's give the Choice Scarf to the Rotom. Or I click the Blizzard. Oh no. I'll give the Choice Scarf. Give the Choice Scarf. My Slowking looks really good. But why is it a Stun Spore Tangrowth? My god. Why are you Stun Spore? Why Irish transport, dude? Why Irish transport over sleep powder or something? Why Irish transport? Your team is so fast. He's like one of the fastest teams I've seen. Doesn't make a single sense. Doesn't make sense. This feels like, yeah, this team was like made to counter this team. But it's not over. My Slow King looks insanely good. My Slow King, because it has Calm Mind. It has this Infernape looks like Choice Cup because it did way less damage. Yeah, I tricked it. Perfect. I wanna go to my Chomper on the Volt Switch. Perfect. I say I wanna like double to the Rotom on the Tangrowth. Yes, sir. And I can like is he gonna be stupid and stain? Nope. Alrighty, yeah, we are putting the pressure. So he might Hydro me here. I can Volt out. Yeah, I knew he's gonna. Oh no! Oh my god! Calm Mind. Ah! Now we are talking something. Calm Mind. Slack off. 50. Slack off. Slack off. Yeah, yes. Now we are talking. Now we are talking business. Good business. Yes, sir. Slack off. Look at this boy taking the rock damage. That's all we need. Chompers. Nice. It's called 32. It's called. He click the road. Okay, he's choking. He's choking every turn. Okay, good. Yeah, let's give him some rough skin. Let's give him some rough skin. It doesn't even knock us out. He goes to Lati. Go to my kiss area. I don't want to give him the chomp. I want to give him more rough skin. Yes, Psychics does 0 damage. Lose step. T-Wave is absolutely free. But I'm bad. He's bad, not I. Psychics me. Let's slack off. Nice. Yeah, let's give him some more rough. Let's give him the rough. Give him the rough. Yeah, take all that rough skin damage. Yeah, your switch-ins are limited now. Goes to Lardy. Yeah, this is my Luke will just obliterate him pretty soon. Go to my Slow King. Let's double to the Togekiss on the Draco. He's T-Bolt. He is T-Bolt. Okay, I know what to do. Oh no. Why am I clicking the slack off? Why is my hand going to the slack off for no reason? It's like auto. Some auto boost or something is going to the slack off for no reason. Can I get a burn, please? Nice. My hand is like auto. It's like auto going to the slack off for no absolute reason. It's auto going to the slack off for no reason. I know he's fishing for it. He's gonna E-speed. I'm gonna make some doubles. Tang is at 194. He sacks the Infernape here, right? He sacks the Infernape. You sack the Infernape always. How much you at? T-Bolt was doing like 49. No. Let's go to my. I have to double to the Slow King, and I will have. This is my only win con. Oh, he clicked the Giga Drain. I don't believe this at all. He clicked the Giga Drain. He threw. Oh my god. You lost to E-speed. You lost to E-speed. What did you do? You lost to E-speed. Oh, I can't believe. Yeah, I cannot believe. Oh my god. I cannot believe what just happened this game. I can't believe. He like threw 150 turns. I just feel bad losing games like this. Just feel bad. Why is he transport Tangrowth and my hand, it just automatically, why was it going to the slack off? I don't know why. It just automatically went to the slack off twice. I don't know why. But yeah, we played this game really well. But yeah, this should be it for today, guys. So hope you enjoyed this live. Yeah, Rotom did so much work. Rotom did way too much work. Rotom did way too much work. And this choice banded look is so good. And yeah, we won this game. We just need to speed. Why would he sack the tank though? Oh my god. Okay, I guess we had to go for his choke though. I mean, no, I choke, not he. I mean, no. Why did he throw though? Why did he throw? I mean, his choke worked out. Yeah, this is like he choked, but it worked out for no reason. He had to sack the Infernape for a guaranteed win. For a guaranteed win. Yeah, he didn't even sack. He just need to click the Flare Blitz. He just need to click the Flare Blitz. Blaze Range Flare Blitz kills everything. I couldn't do anything. What did he do now? He made the worst play and he got rewarded. But this should be it for today, guys. Don't want to talk about it much. Yeah, this how the ladder is. Stay safe, guys. Bye bye.